Hi, Sepper, CEO of Shyftbase here. I'd love to give you a tour of our automated billing and payable for the last mile portion of our system. You can set up your prerequisites such as services, conditions, fuel surcharge rates, a lot more individually by yourself. The system is fully self-managed. Once you have the prerequisites set up, you come to the configurations for rate tables and you can set up all sorts of rate tables that allow full flexibility for your business to capture all your contractual obligations. So with that said, a rate table could have a particular start and expiry date. So you can have multiple date ranges that captures your contract timelines, like different clients that this rate table applies to. Similarly, you can apply different contractors and driver and crew members. Next would be distribution zone and hubs. So you can have rate tables that apply only to Vancouver, for instance, and not other regions, and so on. You can mix and match. When we get to the services, here you can create your own services. Each service can have a start and expiry applicable date. You basically would be able to provide particular rates for each service, and then the system picks up and automatically calculates the final amount to. Conditions apply same logic. You can create multiple conditions based on weight, based on volume, based on order number, based on order type, and so on. And then you can apply certain conditions to this rate table to capture all the details. Lastly, we get to the kilometer band. So a kilometer band is one part where you can determine certain rates based on kilometer driven or kilometer from the city center, or the logic that you then define each rate based on particular order type. It could be by contractor for your payable rates and so on. And finally, we get to the order status rates. So for calculating your base rates, this is where you can use a global substatus, for instance, or you could assign particular rates to each substatus and status in the system. The system will pick up and calculate. We have fuel surcharge settings and configurations and a lot more that I'll go in detail on the next videos.